Girl shoots her shot at
You did
Blamdem.
show me stripper so you buy girl rose.
A long time that. No, no girl, I know.
So I mean I get
I'm a girl. I want Savvy, I'm a girl.
Oh!
One girl over here, so and one Savvy. She am a girl.
Your girlfriend?
Yeah.
So y'all look me and your girlfriend.
What on there? Who that girl there?
Blamdem who this?
Hey,
Oh,
girl,
let me
this
just
is like a big suckle, girl. How are you?
Yo, Ziggy, where are this girl them? For that say no girl, me nah do this.
Oh, am I?
Blamdem Ziggy full style me like that. Oh, you not defend me.
You see me this film, me left. Come we play a match, come.
Okay. And I'm a smart thing, but guys don't pull it up.
You see a madman that, no agree with him, you see him mad, you can't.
Mad and you know like
I swear we a madman, two madman kind of one pen. So me have to run, because remember I said no. If what we go analyze one of that, so better me just run, you know what I mean?
no, me no want you analyze nobody come, me no want you go.
Alright, so better you me tell you say we run, because I'm a madman that, Ziggy a madman, me not agree with it.
Okay. Cause you have to stay with me, you can't go nowhere with me.
Yeah, more give you hype. But when I bust you got done with me.
No, you're not forgiving me the hype.
Yeah
But
man, fly lifestyle, and then big gift you have shoot. Rose and no get stuff all nothing. Shoot big gift me dog. Shoot something bigger. Shoot the wheel. Go and you give something and send the wheel. Yeah, and a big gift them we can come on the screen.
Guys,
remember if you're rich, you know, you're part of the rapper them, you know. So you have to send big gift. Tell the rapper them to come support me. Because Nicki Minaj just support me, you know. Like, and Nicki Minaj just support me, so you have to come make a big rapper them come support me too. But not about him and one them. No meat meal do. What me I say now, moving forward. Mama, where you going with a good door?
yeah, I'm gonna cook some mackerel.
Say the day with me, mother and cook for you.
Okay. But let me see your picture and you're handsome.
You like me?
Yeah.
Let me see your ear back.
What?
Let me see back your ear.
Why you want to see back on my ear? Guys, me cut my ear. Blamdem, no.
So what kind of depression you in, so?
Huh?
What kind of depression you in, so make you
No, let me tell you, if any girl in your life know about ear, you know, like when you cream your ear, my ear naturally curly, right? So I have to cut off it straight in. Wanna leave me alone?
Somebody send a money gun. Somebody send a money gun and catch his speed.
Yeah, on a send a
one anat catch his speed. Send a anat or money gun.
Now can't drag my panties.
Somebody send a anat.
On a can.
Bamba clot. Fly lifestyle, big up. One Savvy, big up. Jelly is a big up. Rich talent, big up. Gold digger, big up. But mama, what may I say is, mama? What may I say? So you can't come to Miami, come look for me.
So you can't, me here say you used to live in Atlanta, why you can't come back?
Me not, I have to come on me for the first time. Me not trust you so fast. I say you have to go through gold digger.
Come to Miami.
You have to go through gold digger and Nicki Minaj have to approve you before you can talk to me. Gold digger and Nicki Minaj have to approve you first.
Okay. But me know you like a girl that would do up their body. Me not do up my body, you know.
No, you know me like natural girl to tell her that a phone shot. Not no gossip.
So when me come to Miami,
nobody girl then too much man look them then they revolt.
okay, and nobody now look me, so me I gonna be yours only.
Go dress back me see you.
How much time you want me dress?
I am live, cause your house echo like you empty.
Me and my daughter live.
Yeah, Pitney.
Yes.
How much?
She's 3.
So who pay bills?
Me.
So you pay bill?
Blamdem.
Oh you look, you have man, cause see you look different.
Blamdem, if me did have man, me would not say rape on live.
Me God, me not play no more match with you, cause you not do it right. You don't trust that one day, cause you say you're rare, you look two side. The house
What
empty.
you mean? Me now look na two side, nobody no did they see?
No. So make it also empty.
Me not have no furniture.
How much bedroom?
3.
How much you pay for your rent?
Mortgage.
You pay a mortgage?
Mm-hmm.
How much a mortgage?
Can't tell you that right, so.
And a mortgage you pay to a lie.
Murder. A joke rent.
So me get a tell them serious lady.
Cause you can't make nobody know your business. Just like how nobody can know your
You should
location.
stick to your lie like you clown out yourself. Because people will say, happy for you. You should stick to your lie where you tell. You have papers in America?
No, me I look a green card. Me here say you have one.
Nah, none.
Mm-mm.
You say, I slap me up with it and let me up back.
No, sir, I never lock you up. I never believe that.
No, I'm not saying thing they say me run with it. You know, say I submit that.
But me not run with it.
If somebody say you're married, that's true.
I lie them, I tell Blamdem.
Where's your finger?
Blamdem, a Pandora, me go buy me ring it. Boy, could I give me this? Why honestly, so me love ring. Me's a ring girl. Blamdem, go on.
No, man, stay, man, baby. Me not going to.
No, because you bring me down.
Me not bring it down, baby. Me just try build it up. Come.
Okay. Guys, I want to get 10K followers.
But some of my people must say they don't approve you. What make?
Me not care what they want to say. Me only care about what you want to say.
Well,
Them
somebody say I reject.
What?
Somebody say I reject.
What that mean?
No, that you tell me what that mean.
Remember, so we don't know what that mean, unless it's something else. Who reject me? After me not look nobody.
Me make money, me not make friend. Over money friend, slap your friend. Glass house, drop that me help her.
Oh, Blamdem, me and cloud me out. Cause them say nobody not say nothing over this. So I fool you take me for.
Alright, them tell you. Well, you know, alright, go on where I go. I fool me I take you.
Me I go on or me I go.
Me I get a bus saying I want you. And you go up here. I buy on me the saying. I get a bus saying I want you. You say I eat that.